My 4-year-old is using the remote control spider for the first time this morning. This is what the remote looks like. He's just getting the hang of it. The lights are really awesome. It's going to be great to use this at night. All of the legs move, which is really neat. It's not just like wheels on the bottom. Oh, our kitty's going to join in on the fun too. Seems to be a misting. That's quite loud. Seems to be some sort of a misting feature that you can add some water to the underside of the spider. And there's also a music feature, which you just heard. It's nursery rhymes. Pretty cool. I like that it just takes batteries. We have quite a few of remote control vehicles. My kids are 4 and 6, my younger ones. They're just really getting into RC vehicles. And a lot of them have that USB battery connection thing. And I find that those stop working after a time. So I really like, this is just old school batteries. You know, we keep reusable batteries in the home for my kiddos' toys. So I'm not, you know, constantly running out to purchase more. But yeah, so far it's just their first time playing with it. I'll definitely update my review, you know, if it stops working or, you know, we discover something else that we really like about it. But I like this in comparison to some of theirs that they have. I mean, this is pretty, it's interactive. Again, I really like that the little legs move and it's not just the wheels on the underside. You've got some movement there. All the different lights are really cool. How there's lights by the eyes. There's lights, you know, whoa, I'm getting dizzy. There's lights out the bottom like a web. Really neat.
It's fast too. Oh. It has smoke. You see smoke? What music? Okay.
Eso es trampa.
Oye,